Hello guys, welcome back to Lan App. For today's video, here going to discuss with you how to fix Blogger redirect error in Google Search Console. So if you're interested, start tutorial. So in this case, we first need to discuss what is this issue. So when Google tries to crawl your blog post here, it first uses a mobile bot, which in this case is Google smartphone bot. Now, the problem is that Blogger automatically redirects mobile users to a special mobile version of the page. Now, this happens because Blogger adds a question mark m equals 1 at the end of the URL for mobile users. So, how do you exactly fix this one? So, since the problem is with Google scrolling bot, we need to manually submit the mobile version of the URL to Search Console for indexing. So, what we need to do is you first need to access your post here. So in this case, this is just an example. This is the link for my post. And what you need to do is you want to add the question mark m is equal to 1. So in this case, go ahead and copy the URL for this specific post. And you want to head over into your Google Search Console. Now, in here, what we need to do is we want to go to the inspect any URL in the following one. Let's go ahead and basically add the link and just press enter. And by the way, you may want to switch over to your actual blog property here before doing so. Let's go ahead and paste this one and see. It's going to start retrieving our data for indexing. Now, what we need to do here is you just need to make sure that the question mark we added before, like this one, is included as well. But yeah, so you need to click on the test live URL here to check if the page is actually accessible. So this might take a minute or two. But once you've done that, or once the test is successful, you just need to click on the request indexing that you see here. As you can see, this is request indexing. Now, from then on, you want to go and click on this one to submit the page for indexing. So in this case, indexing requested. Now, go ahead and click on dismiss. Now, from then on, after a few days, you want to check Search Console here again, and your mobile version will get indexed first. So shortly after, desktop URL will also be indexed automatically. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to Lan App. Thank you for watching.